Today I am going to talk about this problem. It is not a problem of me, of you. It is the problem of everyone. So we are learning English grammar. We are also learning vocabs. Also, we are also talking with people also, but we are not finding confidence. What is the problem? And for lack of which things we are facing lots of problem and spending a lots of time in this field, even we are not getting proper result, just we are facing lots of problem. So in this video I am going to tell you about this problem. Means where is the main problem? Actually, we are not following the same process and we are not following the correct method. This is the same problem. We also just thinking as a mentally and I will speak. It is my desire to become a fluent speaker and we want to speak fluently and we also want to convey our thoughts in English language. So it is just a thoughts level. But when we'll think, so it will not give us benefit. We have to speak and we have to do practice. But how many people among us they are also doing practice every single day and they are doing same things regularly? Means when is the number of listening? So we also listen, but our listening is totally different, not a effective listening. Means today we also saw a very fluent person. We are watching him, and tomorrow also watching him. But our listening also just only one time. Have our intention to speak fluently, and for this purpose, when we listen something English content, we should to listen minimum thrice, one, two, thrice. But what happened and what is our habit? We listen something and we pass these things and we don't repeat. But tell me, when you listen something, that time you understand only a few percentages, not a proper. But when you will listen second time, third time, maybe you will be able to understand this video minimum 80%. But we are doing same mistake. Means we are not ready to repeat this content, for a three time minimum. So it is also, this is the problem also me also. Means as being a long person in this field, I am also doing same mistake because I feel boring for listening same content three time, four time. Another mistake means we are not ready to speak. Our intention to become a fluent speaker, but we are not ready to do practice for as a speaking level. And just we expect means when I will find a situation for speaking English language, so that time English. That time I will speak English language. But tell me, this is possible? Means when you are not preparing yourself in a alone place, and there is a possibility for you to correct yourself and repeat this sentence, repeat this grammar rule, and repeat this vocab three times, four times, 100 times, there is nobody for laughing. But when you will not do practice in a isolation mode, but when you will get same position and when you will have to convey your thoughts with a person, so that time your thoughts and your fear will suppress. You will not be free for giving the proper answer in English language. So this way you are not ready to convey your thoughts in English language. Your thought means I can do it, but it is not a sufficient. You have to create a habit. You have to make a habit of speaking English you know every time. When you will keep this habit, so automatically one day you will be able to speak front of the person English language. Third things, it is also common for reading. We also read silently. but your intention to become a fluent speaker. So for this reason, minimum half an hour, try to read loudly. Means as lie means you are teaching someone. Means with a proper pause. And where is the punctuation mark? You should be stop there and repeat this line 3 or 4 times and try to understand these things. Read as per your habit, but when you have an intention to become a fluent speaker, so start reading in this way. And we also another things, okay, we also always do complain means so I remember vocabulary and I forget. So for this solution, I also want to say you try to start writing and start journaling. When you will try to journal your day in a page, so that time you will find lots of points and lots of sentences which is totally new for you. Maybe you will not able to write this sentence. Take help from mobile phone, take help from ChatGPT, from anywhere you can try to arrange these things. And these things will give you clarity in writing. These things will help you to memorize your vocabulary. So today I already told you it is a very deeply knowledge because I know very well okay, where is the poison and which things is stopping us to become a fluent speaker. Only this type of mistakes we also just suffering a problem. So from today, start listening but effective listening. Repeat 5 minute video no matter, but repeat same video minimum thrice and more than, but not less than 3 times. And try to speak every single day and minimum 15 hour it is enough also, and try to speak and try to talk with person. And if you not have a partner, so you have a mobile phone and try to articulate some things, some events and how was your day, and try to articulate all things in your English language. And third things, try to read loudly minimum 15 minutes or half an hour, and try to use pause in every punctuation mark. And fourth, try to write minimum one page every single day. When you will write, it will help you and it will give you confidence and it will remove your problem. So I hope you understood the all things, and by this suggestion you will be able to speak English language good way.